Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest insights and trends shaping the world. Today we have something truly exciting to discuss. While the world frets over economic slowdowns with headlines filled with doom and gloom, there's one place silently booming with opportunities: India. Yes, you heard that right. Amidst the global uncertainty, India is emerging as a beacon of hope and growth. Today, let's dive into why India is turning heads in 2025. From its bustling cities to its innovative startups, there's a lot to uncover. First off, India has just surpassed China as the world's most populous country. This milestone is more than just a statistic. It signifies a massive shift in the global demographic landscape. That means more people, more workers, and most importantly, more consumers. Imagine the sheer scale of the market that businesses can tap into. If you're in business, that's music to your ears. The potential for growth is staggering and companies around the world are taking notice. Now, let's talk about the big players. The tech industry in particular is making significant moves. Tech giants like Google, Apple, and Microsoft are pouring billions into their Indian operations. These investments are not just about setting up offices, they are about building a future. Even Tesla is planning new factories. The electric vehicle market in India is poised for a revolution, and Tesla wants to be at the forefront. Why? Because they see what's coming, and they want in on the action. What's driving this surge? Let's break it down. Government initiatives like Make in India and Startup India are pulling in foreign investors like never before. These programs are designed to create a conducive environment for business and innovation. These policies are designed to make India a manufacturing and startup powerhouse. The results are already visible, with numerous startups and manufacturing units springing up across the country. You might be wondering, why now? What makes 2025 so special for India? Well, India offers a young, educated workforce at competitive wages. This demographic advantage is a key driver of economic growth. That means businesses can innovate and grow without breaking the bank. The cost-effectiveness of operating in India is attracting global attention. And while China tightens its grip on internet freedoms, creating a challenging environment for tech companies, India is embracing innovation, crypto, and startups. The regulatory environment in India is becoming increasingly supportive of new technologies. It's a digital playground with fewer restrictions and more opportunities. The tech ecosystem is thriving, with new ventures and innovations emerging every day. E-commerce is another area where India is making waves. The online retail market is expanding rapidly, driven by increasing internet penetration and a growing middle class. By 2030, India's digital economy is expected to hit a whopping $1 trillion. This projection underscores the immense potential of the digital sector in India. Yes, you heard that right, $1 trillion. The opportunities for growth and investment are unparalleled. Imagine the potential for growth and profit in that space. Entrepreneurs and investors are already positioning themselves to capitalize on this boom. If you're an entrepreneur, freelancer, or investor, you need to start paying attention. The time to act is now, as the window of opportunity is wide open. India's rise isn't a maybe, it's a certainty. The momentum is building, and those who recognize it early will reap the rewards. And those who recognize it early will have the biggest advantage. The early movers will set the stage for future success. So are you ready to get ahead of the curve? The race is on, and the opportunities are endless. Smash that like button and join Auto Hustle AI, your unfair advantage in business. Stay tuned for more insights and strategies to help you succeed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep hustling and stay ahead of the game.